In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the divisibility rules for 2, like what numbers are divisible or how do you tell if a number is divisible by 2. And the rule is that a number is divisible by 2 if the ones digit, the digit at the very right end, is either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. If it ends in any of those digits, then it's going to be divisible by 2. So I've got 5 examples here. So we're just asked, are the following numbers divisible by 2? So 56 is the first number. And because it ends in a 6, that means that 56 would be divisible by 2. 6 is one of these numbers. It's this one right here. 308, so it ends in 8, and 8's one of these 5 numbers. So that means that 308 would be divisible by 2, because the number in the ones digit on the right end is either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. It's the 8. Now 1207, the number in the ones digit, the 7, is not a number of 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So that would mean 1207 is not divisible by 2, okay, because it's not ending in either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. 23,074, well, it ends in a 4, okay, and 4 is one of those numbers, so that means that 23,074 is divisible by 2. Last example, the number 6,005, it ends in a 5, okay, and 5 is not one of those 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 numbers, so that means that 6,005 is not divisible by 2. So you're always looking at the number in the ones digit on the right end of the number. If it's 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 that it ends in, it's divisible by 2. If it doesn't end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, it's not divisible by 2. And that's the end of the tutorial.